Okay. Anything about video?
Stand here today and welcome you all to this beautiful occasion.
Okay. Anything about video? Bye.
It is an absolute honor to stand here today and welcome you all to this occasion, to this beautiful occasion. We are gathered here to celebrate the love and union of Miss P.K. Samatia and Grom South B.P. Miller. Two incredible souls who have found their forever in each other. Marriage is not just about finding right person, it's all about loving and cherishing them every single day. Today, as they exchange both
Bye.
let us all and bless the beginning of their lifelong journey. So let's fill this place with joy, love, and celebration. As we watch these two become one, let the ceremony begin. Thank you, Dr. Muhammad.
Saya kira di bay. Nondok mak.
Extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Your presence here today means the world to them, and some of you have traveled from near and far, and we truly appreciate the effort you have made to be here. Weddings are not just about two people coming.
Aşirvat. Aşirvat.
We also let them all. We are reminded that love is the most beautiful and powerful force in the world. It brings two hearts together.